have Johannes Gutenberg here with us.
Guten Tag.
What is your most famous accomplishment?
Well, I have two. One is the printing press. Before, people used to write it all out. But now it is much more convenient. It is so much easier than what it used to be. It was ridiculous before, but now it is wonderful.
Yes, that was a great invention.
Dankeschön, but I am not finished yet. I created the Holy Bible, the Gutenberg Holy Bible, right off the printing press. And it has 42 lines, excuse me. Alright, I will count for you. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 41, 42. See, there you go. Da, da, da.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And after this commercial break, I have Sir Isaac Newton here for an interview.
A preview of a new show called Europe Coast, The Real Scientific Revolution. This is where it all happened. Ferrara, Italy, a small place in the scientific revolution. I just experienced a year I'll never forget. That's Copernicus. He's all into proving everyone otherwise. He's smart and excels in astronomy, mostly. He's from Poland, and so is his name. You might remember him from the heliocentric theory. But this season you'll see his new accomplishments he's coming up with. Then there's Galileo. He's an Italian physicist, mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher. Basically an overachiever. His goal is to show everyone what he sees. That's why he invented the telescope. Through it, people could see upright images on the Earth. Now everyone can observe the sky. Whatever, I guess it helped us see things a little clearer. That's Newton. He's a serious one. He's always had a lot of new ideas, whether it's mathematics, science. He's really good at breaking down situations, especially into his laws of motion. He defines gravity. No, really. Oh, there's Francis Bacon from London, the troublemaker. He loves getting into fights with people since he's the Attorney General. He popularized the Baconian method, or better known, the scientific method. Don't get me wrong, though. He had gone through some hard times, like when his fiancée Elizabeth Hatton broke off their relationship to marry a wealthier man, Edward Koch. Then there's Kepler from Germany. He's into beating everyone at their own game. That's why he improved Galileo's telescope. He also is known for his religious arguments and reasoning into his work, motivated by religious convictions. He's pretty well known again because of his eponymous laws of planetary motion. And that's where all the drama of the scientific revolution starts. All along Europe, there was new ideas in physics, astronomy, biology, human anatomy, chemistry, and other sciences. They all led to a rejection of doctrines that prevailed from ancient Greece through the Middle Ages and laid the foundation of modern science. The way in which scientists worked was radically changed. I guess you could say some accomplishments changed the way we looked at things through these few years of the scientific revolution. Don't forget to watch an all-new season of Europe Coast.
I have here Sir Isaac Newton. Hello. Will you please explain to us how you discovered gravity?
Well, one day I was sitting in the woods enjoying my time singing when I was hit on the lap with an apple. Then after thinking about it, I realized that what made the apple fall was this force I discovered called gravity.
How fascinating. Please explain your second law.
Well, force equals mass times acceleration.
A roll of tape and a piece of paper are dropped at the same time. The roll of tape will go faster because it has a higher mass.
How cool. Your third and final law of motion, would you care to elaborate on that one?
I'd love to. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
When me and my friend collided, there was an unbalance, therefore we both fell.
So what changed with your discoveries?
Well, before I discovered my laws of motion, everyone believed the Catholic Church's teachings of the geocentric theory. But after I established gravity,
everyone knew that Copernicus's heliocentric theory was right. You know, that everything revolves around the sun?
Well, isn't that interesting? But thank you for your time. It was a pleasure.
You know, the theory's still true.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Well, that's today's show.